Hi, I'm Jay, and today we're going to diagnose a humidifier that continuously runs water down the drain. First thing we're going to do is turn off the water and the power. Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. This is a Honeywell bypass style humidifier. Here's the bypass duct coming around to the return air duct. Let's take the cover off this thing and look inside. Okay, now that we're inside, you can take a look and see this damper. On the outside, there's an indication, summer, winter. Right now it's in the winter position, which is open. That's summer position, which is closed. So open, closed. We're going to want it open in the winter position. Now, the water comes up through this tube, through an orifice. The purpose of the orifice is to meter the volume of water that goes up into the humidifier and across the filter. So this is metering the volume of water. Then you have a solenoid valve which opens and closes and allows the water to flow through it. The water flows out of the solenoid valve in this black rubber hose, up the hose, into the water distribution tray, through the tray, down through the humidifier filter. Whatever does not get evaporated, down to the drain, and you'll find it trickling down through this hose. Okay, so the orifice sends in just a little bit more water than can be absorbed. The rest of it goes down the drain. Now that water that's going down the drain, the other thing it's doing is it's cleaning this humidifier filter. So excess water cleans the humidifier filter, goes down the drain. During normal operation, you'll see water trickling down the drain as it's running. You should not see water trickling down the drain when the humidifier is not running. If the problem you're having with your humidifier is the water keeps running, there are some simple tests you can perform to determine what the problem is. The first thing to do is turn off the electricity to your furnace and humidifier. The next thing you can do is disconnect one of the wires going to your solenoid valve. Now that we have just one of the wires disconnected, we are certain there's no electricity going to this solenoid valve. At this point, the valve should be closed. If for some reason water continues to run, then you have a bad solenoid valve. That is a common failure on these valves, and it can be easily repaired by simply replacing the solenoid valve. The solenoid valve itself operates on 24 volts AC power, and again, it's easy to replace this. It's just a matter of unscrewing it, turning off the water to this line, disconnecting this, disconnecting the hose from the outlet, putting a new valve in, and then reconnecting it electrically and also the water in and out. It's a simple repair, and you can do it yourself. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.